Welcome to this experience of the healing green color ray. To fully appreciate this gemstone journey, find yourself a peaceful, quiet place where you won't be disturbed and where you can rest comfortably. For the best experience, use headphones. During this journey, you're going to hear a shushing sound like this. This is the sound of the Gem Formula's emerald spray being sprayed into the field of this experience. The spray has been infused with the healing energies of the green color ray gemandala that you see on your screen. I hope you enjoy this experience of the healing green ray. Are you ready to begin? Let's begin our green color ray journey by focusing first on the white light. The pure white light that exists above time and matter, space, and energy itself. Feel it surrounding you, cleansing and clearing every part of you. Within the white light, look for a spectrum of the 7 colors, and then find the green color ray. Feel the green color ray approach you. As it draws nearer, welcome it like an old friend. Feel it embrace you as you embrace it. Feel it permeate your body and being at all levels of manifestation. Invite it to deeply nourish your atomic level, your molecular level, and your cellular level. Welcome it into your organs, especially the organs in your torso. Allow it to spread through your entire physical body and then reach into your aura, filling your superphysical aura, your emotional aura, your causal aura, your mental aura, your intuitive aura, and beyond. As you breathe in the green ray, allow it to permeate and nourish you even more deeply. Notice where in your body the green ray tends to accumulate. The green color ray supports the brain and the visceral organs, which include the heart, spleen, liver, gallbladder, stomach, intestines, and lungs. It helps the cells to act independently without being affected by incorrect programming or outside influences. The green color ray vitalizes the heart chakra. While all chakras require all 7 color rays, the heart chakra needs the green color ray the most. The heart chakra is an important center and source of intelligence, wisdom, and love. Welcome in the green ray into your heart and accept the nourishment it brings. As you do, the love and wisdom that this chakra supports can become a greater part of your life. If there were one word that could summarize the benefits of the green ray, it would be abundance. The green ray is about living a rich life, rich with the things that you love and that love you. This abundance is the abundance of health, of care, and of kindness. The green ray teaches you about the balance of giving and receiving. The more you can receive, the more you can give, which allows you to then receive more. In this way, the green ray helps you accept into your life what you need to fulfill your mission and serve with the gifts and talents that only you can provide. The green ray also supports your autonomy, your individuality, that which separates you from everyone else. The green ray can help you strengthen your individuality and realize how special you are in the universe. It can enhance your awareness of your uniqueness and of those special gifts that only you have to give. The healing green ray can help you correct the causes of disharmony in your life. How special this green color ray is. Picture the different shades of green and find one that resonates with you most. You can choose among emerald green, moss green, forest green, lime green, sea green, grassy green, and others. Visualize the unique color of green that you resonate with most. Which green feels most vitalizing and most nourishing? Turn the dial of the green frequency until you find the right color setting for you. Adjust the color in your body and being to be that frequency, so that the green ray can nourish you to its maximum capacity. Embrace this green color as you breathe it in. As you exhale, let go of the spent, muddy green. Inhale again and bring in your special, nourishing green. Breathe in the pure and release the old and stale. Breathe in the pure and release the old. Notice how this leaves you feeling uplifted, relaxed, and ready for more. In this heightened state of life that you may be experiencing, look into your mind's eye and imagine you are walking along a path when you spot a beautiful building in the distance. As you approach the building, you notice that its doors are green. Open the door and walk into the world of the green ray. Take note of the lush green world around you. What do you see? How do you feel? Does anyone greet you? Maybe you don't see, but only hear or sense or feel a sense of refreshing refreshment. Breathe in the smooth green air and feel your skin absorbing the green ray's healing light. Let it seep into every layer of your being. Look for the lessons and the wisdom that are uniquely yours in the green color ray. focus on the wisdom you gain from this world and take a mental note of what you've learned so that you can bring the lessons back with you once you leave, so that you can call them forth when you need them in the future. Before you turn and leave, take one last look at the beauty that is home to the green color ray. Thank it for the experience, the wisdom, and the enrichment. As you hold on to that feeling of gratitude, say goodbye to the land of the green ray. Step back through the door and return to your surroundings. Feel the furniture you're sitting or lying on, giving you comfort and support. Stretch out your arms, your fingers, and your legs. Be present, fully present in your body as you open your eyes and refocus on the world around you. Thank you for joining me on this journey. To learn more about the healing color rays, visit the gemstonetherapyinstitute.org or click the link in the information box below. There you'll also find links to the other color ray meditation journeys in this series. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with someone you love. My name is Isabel Morton. I'm the founder of the Gemstone Therapy Institute, wishing you all the best on your journey to greater health.